What's up, y'all? How's it going? My name is BenDeen, and today I'm going to be eating some Korean-style Chinese food. And today's kind of a special edition because I have my girlfriend with me, inside. But she doesn't want to be on camera, so she's just gonna eat with me. You might see her hands and you might hear her voice, but not her face. Maybe later if I can convince her, but I'm not too optimistic about that. Anyway, so I got some Korean-style Chinese food here. As you can see, I got a lot of stuff. I got we ordered three different things, and actually a lot of things came. 이거 볶음밥인데, so this is called 볶음밥 or fried rice, and this is the Korean style version of that. Yeah, as you can see, there's plastic on all of these things, so because we just got it delivered. This is some noodles, which goes with this sauce right here, and this is called jjajangmyeon, which is some kind of black. I think it's a black bean noodle or black bean sauce, and then you mix it all together. This is called tangsuyuk, which is it's a fried pork, like fried pork pieces that are mixed in some kind of like sweet sauce. And this is just it's called jampong, which is, I'm not even sure what it is. It's like a spicy kind of soup kind of thing with seafood in there. And then we also got, let's see. So yeah, one interesting thing about Chinese food delivery in Korea. So all these plates, they're not disposable. So what you do is after you eat, you put it in this bag and set it outside your door, and they're gonna come back, like the delivery guy comes back later, like maybe an hour or two later, and actually picks up these plates again and takes them back to the restaurant, which is just completely crazy. I mean, there's no delivery fee or anything, so I mean, I don't see how they can make money. I mean, all this stuff was only about $16-17 maybe, so quite cheap. We got kimchi as well, and some more kind of side dishes. These are onions and like radishes. So it should take a little bit to unwrap all this stuff, but after that we'll start eating. 좀 도와줘. 도와줘. 먹자. 배고파? 나 말하는데. 말해. Yeah, my girlfriend is not usually shy. Quite the opposite usually, so I'm not sure why she doesn't want to appear on camera. Or why she doesn't even talk right now. 왜 말하나?
그냥.
And it also came with 2 sets of chopsticks and only 1 spoon though, so luckily I had another in the kitchen. 잘했네. 이런 거 처음 봤어. 이런 볶음밥. Yeah, actually, I've never seen this kind of fried rice before. I don't even know how to eat it, so I have to find out. I guess you just mix it all with this this sauce here. All right, so first, okay, well. So here's what that looks like, and then we're gonna mix it all together. 좀 섞어줘.
야 섞어.
다른 거 좀 소개하고 싶어. So yeah, just mix it together like this.
야 섞을게 그럼.
이거 섞어?
아니 안 섞어.
아 진짜? So yeah, I guess you don't mix this one. You just kind of eat it separately. Here's what it looks like up close and personal. Here is the tangsuyuk, or the fried pork, and as you can see there's a lot of different vegetables in there too, and the sauce. Personally, some places they mix it ahead of time like this, the sauce and the pork. Some places give them like separately. I kind of like it how when they give them separately better, because the pork stays more crispy, and then you can just dip it right in the sauce and eat it. And it stays a little bit more crispy, but you know, this is so good too. Here's what, I mean, I'm sure you all know what kimchi looks like, right? Here is the jampong. I have no idea what this is in English. As you can see, there's some kind of like seafood, some kind of like shells in here. 이거 뭐야?
홍합.
Yeah, some kind of like clam, oyster. 아니야? So, actually, usually this is just the soup portion. Usually this jampong comes with noodles in it as well. But this one is just the everything but the noodles, I think. Just kind of like a side dish. Alright, 다 먹어. 그럼 먹자.
먹겠다.
네?
아직 안 먹었거든?
아 그래.
멍청아?
So yeah, I would say that in Korea, by far the two most popular Chinese foods are this jjajangmyeon and tangsuyu, the pork. And I've had them quite a bit from various different places, and it's really good. But it's honestly, you know, everyone has their different idea of what Chinese food looks like or tastes like. I think that every place, every different country has their version of Chinese food, and besides China, it's really not authentic. And this isn't authentic either, even though, you know, Korea is like pretty close to China. But yeah, this is like the Korean version. 맛있네. 어때?
맛있어.
Yeah, we both think this one is really good. This is the first time we ordered from this particular place, so. Alright. I'll try this now. The fried pork.
숟가락.
It's really good as well. 네, 맛있어.
탕수야? 맛있나?
이거 어떻게 먹어?
그냥 비벼서.
이렇게? Here's what the fried rice looks like, and I guess you're just supposed to not mix it all ahead of time, but just mix it as you eat it. Try it without the sauce. It's really good too. Well,
야, 젓가락 비껴봐. 어!
should try this too. 이거 뭐지? 보내줘야겠다.
뭐?
이거 해산물.
홍합?
홍합?
응.
홍합?
홍합.
아. Muscle. 아. So this is a muscle.
머슬? 근육?
아니? 다른 거. 스펠링도 달라. Not bad. Every time I eat... 왜? 더 줄까?
잘라줘.
Every time I eat this kind of seafood, like shellfish and stuff, it reminds me of like when I went to vacation at the beach. When I went to like Mexico or Jamaica, you get that smell of the ocean like 24/7. And yeah, it just brings me back for some reason, which is one of the reasons why I do actually like eating seafood. You know, the taste itself is not that great. I mean, I like it, but it's not my favorite taste in the world. But it does bring me back those like memories. Like it just transfers me right back there. So I like eating it. So I would personally say so far that this one's probably my favorite out from this restaurant, like from right now. 그 중에서 제일 맛있는 거.
짜장면.
My girlfriend also says the same.
나 물 줘. 여기 있네.
So yeah, honestly, I don't even know how to compare these to the Chinese foods that you guys might know. This is because when I was in America, whenever I ate Chinese food, I always ate the exact same thing, like sesame chicken or like General Tso's chicken, General Tso's, whatever you say.
짜장면 이렇게 먹어야지.
근데 이런 먹방 보는 사람들이 한국 사람 아니라면 되게 그 소리 너무 쉽다고 하는 거야.
근데 그렇게 먹는 거라고 얘기해줘.
So I've heard a lot in different. I watched a couple different mukbangs on YouTube, and whenever I look at the comments, like especially if it's a Korean person or like an Asian person doing it, they might eat their food really loudly, like slurping their food, for example, like this. Yeah, and in the comments I always see people hating on it, like, oh, I can't stand when people eat like that, and you know, just it's gross and all that stuff. And you know, I usually don't eat like that either, but I don't mind it. And I think in Korea or in a lot of Asian countries, it's not only, you know, accepted, but I think it can be a good thing. I mean, it's how you're supposed to eat. I've heard that, you know, if you do that, it's like a sign that shows that it's really good food. At least I think that was in Japan. I don't know about Korea.
배불러.
배불러? So my girlfriend just said she's full already. Probably because she just ate a slice of pizza like 10 minutes ago. 아, 피자 왜 먹었어?
배고파서.
But I'm still hungry, so I'll keep eating. 그냥 천천히 먹어. So also, I wanted to talk a little bit about like my channel, or just like the vlogs. I mentioned I might do some vlogs on my last video, but so yesterday me and my girlfriend went to see the cherry blossoms, and I tried to vlog it. I brought my camera. I was like really ready to vlog and everything, and I was taking so many different videos and stuff, and I looked at it later and I was like, man, this is just garbage. Like, I have no idea what I'm doing here. Like, honestly, I watched a few vlogs and people make it look really easy, but when I was trying to vlog, like, if I was gonna film myself like this outside, I mean, I thought I was like, alright, yeah, well, I'm doing it alright. I'd look at the footage and I'd be like, wow, man, I was looking like a jittery little little cat or something. Yeah, I looked really skittish, I guess, and really nervous, and just not cool at all. So I mean, I could probably do vlogs where I don't show my face and just, you know, film the stuff around me and then like talk over it later, like record my voice over it later. But I feel like that wouldn't be as fun. Let me know what you think about that kind of idea, that kind of video. Because to be honest, like, I'm pretty camera shy to begin with, which is kind of one of the reasons why I wanted to start this channel. I'm not very like, I didn't even like taking pictures and stuff before.
탕수육 맛있어?
이 소스는 내 스타일 아니야.
너무 달아.
Yeah, so this, we were talking about this sauce. It's really sweet. Usually it is sweet, but this one's like extra sweet. But yeah. I was hoping by like filming myself that I could get more, you know, comfortable with the cameras and stuff. But I don't think I'm at the level where I can really do that outside and vlog. 김치 먹어봤어? So I might as well try this kimchi out.
맛있어?
먹어봐. 내 스타일이야.
헐.
왜?
싫어.
먹어.
네. 안 먹어! 배불러.
배불러?
응.
더 먹을 수 없어? 천천히 먹어.
잘 먹네 너. 엄청 잘
야,
먹네.
피자 안 먹었잖아.
맞았어.
야, 그런 사람 아니잖아.
화장지 없죠?
진짜. I also wanted to mention that I got a comment, or maybe a couple comments, saying I should try chicken feet. And yeah, that is something that people eat here in Korea. Personally, I've never had it. Always been a little bit intimidated, or never had someone to eat it with, because I think there's a lot of people in Korea who probably don't like it. 닭발 안 먹지? 안 먹는 한국 사람 많아?
있어.
Yeah, I guess there's like not a lot, but there's, you know, people, even Koreans, who don't eat it. So, but yeah, I definitely want to give it a try. I'll have to look if I can see if I can get it delivered, because I know there's no way around here to get it. So
라스트 나는
last. 더 천천히 먹어. 베지. And if anyone might be wondering, this is my girlfriend's cat, by the way. His name is Peji. And this is her house.
인스타그램도 알려줘. 배지 인스타.
뭐지?
배지 캣.
그냥 베지 cat?
배지 언더바 캣.
So my girlfriend wanted to promote Beji's Instagram, which she started. If you want to follow my girlfriend's cat, the Instagram is BEJI_cat. So if you like cats and you like Instagram, follow Beji on Instagram. Follow me too.
배지의 다양한 사진을 볼 수 있다고 말해줘야지.
You can see a lot of different kind of pictures of Peiji's daily life, and videos too.
나 진짜 배부르다.
난 더 먹을 수 있는데 이거 다 먹었고. So finish this off. 괜찮아. So finish this off pretty much. Might as well set that aside. 이거 다 먹었어? So yeah, pretty much ate all the noodles in here too. As you can see, there's just a couple stragglers in here, but there is still a bunch of sauce left. Some people eat it, I've heard. There's like onions. 뭐가 들어있지? 여기.
고기.
There's also meat in there.
Onion.
And onions. And 그리고 basically like onions and small pieces of meat. 이거 먹는 사람 있지?
응. 당연하지.
근데 안 먹는 사람 많겠지.
다 먹는 사람?
이거 면 다 먹고 이거.
다 먹는 사람? 글쎄.
So I think there's some.
보통 남자들은 다 먹지.
아 그래? She said that actually, usually guys will eat all of this after they've eaten all the noodles. And I guess not the same for girls, but yeah, I'm getting a little bit worried about the memory in my phone. I've already recorded like 28 minutes, so I'm not sure how long I can record with my phone camera. I'm guessing not much longer than like 30 minutes, so if by chance this video just cuts off, yeah, I'll apologize in advance, but I'll try to eat this stuff pretty fast. So finish off the fried rice. know what? We ate all the noodles in here. You know, usually I don't eat all of this, but you know, I think that's good enough for now. This 이거 안 먹어?
나?
Yeah, this one. Yeah, I probably won't eat this either. Not a whole lot of it, just a little bit. So it looks like in here there's mushrooms and onions and stuff, along with the mussels. And this one is, how can I describe it? It's like really spicy. Yeah, I can't really compare it to anything, honestly. It's like a spicy seafood soup with vegetables. I'm not sure if they have anything like that. I don't know what to compare it to. Also, I might as well show you this. Whenever you eat this kind of Chinese food, they always give you some raw onions here and this kind of sauce, which is over here. And it's really concentrated. I think it's like what the sauce that they make this jjajangmyeon out of, but it's just like super concentrated. And as you can see, it's like super dark and thick. And a lot of people like to dip the onion in there and eat it like this. 이제 30분.
여기 짜장.
자. 9점이거든.
알거든.
So yeah, I think that's pretty much about it for today. This video is going to take so long to render on my computer, probably like 4 hours. So yeah, that's kind of one of the reasons why I like shooting for a little bit shorter of a time. Usually I go for like around 20 minutes maybe. Even a 20-minute video takes like it can take 3 hours. This one might take 5 hours just to render. That's the thing too. I don't even do much editing, so like it's almost kind of like a waste to run it through. I have Sony Vegas and I run it through that just to like edit it, but I barely edit it, and then it takes like 5 hours to, or like 3 hours to render. So I don't know, maybe I can come up with a better system. If you have any ideas, let me know about that. And if you have ever tried this kind of food, or if you like this kind of food, or if you want to try it, let me know in the comments. You know, just start some discussions, you know what I'm saying? Let me know if you want to see me eat anything in particular. And yeah, like the video if you did, share it with people who like watching people eat, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace. 인사해. Peace이라고 해. Peace.
Peace.
이렇게. Peace.